Okay, so this video is about how you can use the American Airlines AAdvantage e-shopping, which is a Chrome extension. You can see I've got it installed right here. You earn miles and loyalty points on every single purchase that you make online, which is awesome. I think last year I got like 47,000 points. The cool thing is there's a lot of things you buy every day. So depending on what you purchase, if you just shift your efforts and focus on this extension, you can really rack up miles. So let's like log in right now and see what's up. Hey, dude, I just bought these last week. These are so comfortable if you're just kicking around town. We go to the beach a lot. So, hey, dude, shoes are awesome. So simply, if I'm going to buy from here, right, for example's sake, you click here. They tell you on your way to Hey, dude, and you can earn 3 miles for every single dollar. That's just one example of that, right? Um, the cool thing is you can literally dive right in here and search for a store. So as an internet marketer, GoDaddy's on here. You can scroll through here. A lot of them offer extra miles. Look at this. I don't know what Kariuma is, but 20 miles per dollar. That's insane. I don't know what they sell, but I found that like things that we need around the house that you're going to buy anyways, that you probably already buy on Amazon, stuff like toilet paper, paper towels, stuff like that. You can easily find on here if you just search around. Stella McCartney's a luxury brand. So if you spend money there, $7 a mile, that all adds up. It's so cool. So again, there's a lot of stores on here and you can go here and type in stores. And look, you can go by department. Neiman Marcus is on here, CVS. So like literally things that you buy every day. Home Depot. I mean, imagine how much money a lot of people, especially if you like flip homes. Oh my God. Home Depot, you could really rack up points. Staples, Nike. I've shopped on Nike here before. Booking.com, I don't really use. I do promote them as an affiliate, which is funny, but literally everything here. Dining, you can get chocolates, Omaha Steaks, kitchen stuff, flowers, men's clothing. You got J. Crew, Gap, Men's Warehouse, computers. There's all sorts of stuff here. Travel luggage, Viator for tours, pretty good one. Also, this is a big one. If you're a Marriott person like I am, this is huge. You can go into Marriott, right, and get another dollar a mile. Now, if you use your Marriott Bonvoy card, you get $6 for every dollar, or sorry, 6 points for every dollar you spend at the property. So you really multiply it when you use the Marriott Bonvoy card and use this extension to book. Look, you're going to go to Marriott.com anyways to book. So why not go through the Chrome extension? And I guess right now it's just homes and villas. So, okay, that's different. Let me see. I swear they had, oh yeah, here we go. Marriott Bonvoy. I swear they had just the hotels on here because I've done it before. Yeah, here it is. So again, you just go through this Chrome extension, buy whatever you want, and you'll see the miles come into your account within a couple of days. You get an email confirmation right when you buy it. Make sure you see this before you purchase, because if you don't see this, I've done some that are untracked. But again, you can just go through here. When it's green, you know you're getting tracked. But if you were to switch browser windows or refresh or something, it's not always on. So just make sure you sign in before it. But this is a huge, huge way that you can earn miles. And I mean, it is just awesome. And you do get emails with offers when people offer more points on a certain day, etc. But again, to me, this is one of the best ways you can grab more American Airlines rewards and loyalty points and miles, of course. So pretty cool little hack there. Again, AAdvantage e-shopping website. You can go right here, get the Chrome extension. It's going to sit up here. And I mean, like I said, the options, Adidas, Bed Bath & Beyond. There's so many stores here. I mean, GoDaddy, again, as an internet marketer, I spend probably 5 figures a year minimum here. And getting $2 a mile on that is just awesome. So enjoy.